In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Mailchimp. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently update the look and feel of your email campaigns without getting lost in the editor. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to adjust your background color and how to preview your changes before sending. First, sign into your Mailchimp account using your usual login details. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation panel. Here, click on the section labeled Campaigns. After the page loads, you'll see a list of your existing campaigns. Find the email campaign whose background color you want to change. On the right side of that campaign's row, there will be an Edit button. Go ahead and click Edit. The campaign builder will open and you should see a preview of your email layout. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct email. Then, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen for the option called Edit Design. Click that, and Mailchimp will open the full email editor where you can customize the appearance of your message. Inside the editor, shift your attention to the leftmost sidebar. This is where all your design controls live. Find and click on the tab labeled Styles. When that panel opens, look for a section called Background. Click on it to expand the background settings. Within the background section, you'll see an option called Background Color. Just beneath that label, there will be a circular color swatch. Click on that circle to open the color picker. A palette will appear showing you various color options. You can choose one of the preset colors, or if Mailchimp allows it in your version, you can type in a specific color value to match your brand. As you select different colors, keep your eye on the live preview on the right side of the screen. The preview updates automatically, so you can instantly see how each background color looks with your text, images, and buttons. Take your time here and pick a color that keeps your content easy to read and visually appealing. Once you're happy with the new background color, move to the top right corner of the editor. From here, you have two choices. You can click Send Test to send yourself or your team a test email, and double check how the background looks in an actual inbox. Or, if you're satisfied and not ready to send yet, click Save and Exit to store your changes and return to the campaign overview. And that's all you need to do to change the background color in Mailchimp.